I thought I heard him pull.
I don't know. We kind of just killed him. Well, boys, I think it's time for the first car meet of 2025, and I think we're going to take the ZR1 to that tonight. We're going to go ahead and drive out to a pretty far one, so I think we're going to see a lot of different cars that we're not used to seeing around here from where I'm local to. And since it's a bit further than usual, I'm hoping we can run into a couple cool cars along the way and show them what the stock ZR1 can do. Anyways, we got a little bit of a drive ahead of us. Let's get the cold start, and then let's go. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Oh, it never gets old. I'm excited for 2025. I feel like I didn't do much to any racing in 2024. Besides like going to a track event here or there, we didn't really go to like many roll nights. So I think in 2025, we're gonna really see just what the ZR1 and the Mustang can go up against and win. So hopefully we get some competitors tonight. All right, so we had been cruising for about 20 minutes now, and then this Model 3 Performance did a Ricer flyby next to me, so I knew he wanted the smoke. My dumbass forgot to turn on the mic, so I'm going to use older racing audio to recreate it. Was he not ready? Essentially, I was explaining what I just said to you guys, and then we raced. On the second one, he even jumped, and watch what happens.
I thought I heard him pull.
I don't know. We kind of just killed him. Yeah, we're eating him. I don't know. I didn't even notice Goofy do his hand countdown. I think I saw him wave his hand like 4 or 5 times. It's 1, 2, 3, not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anyways, that little jump was cute. Instant torque is adorable, but actual horsepower is better. Hope to see it on Marketplace soon. Homeboy took out mommy's Tesla. Thought it was the quickest thing ever. Get a real car, buddy. Get a real car. My mic might not have been on for that race.
Well, doesn't it record off of the camera?
I don't know. All right, so we just realized that the mic wasn't on because we were caught so off guard by the Tesla. We're about to get ran over. That yeah, the mic wasn't on, so we're gonna have to voice over that, which is gonna suck because it was a good race and the vet sounded sick, but the boat. How's it going? All right, we're gonna do a lap though. It's still filling in, so it's pretty tame so far. No one's really being stupid, except kind of this guy. In the 5.7, it literally sounds like a boat, like just getting off the dock right there. There's a lot of Mark 5s here. This is like the 3rd one.
I like this livery. Livery. What is it?
You like
livery?
this one?
It's livery?
Livery. It's livery. Foodie Patrol.
It's nice.
We got the Brimbos. We got the Nittos. Are they actual Nittos?
Are they actual Nittos?
They're not actual Nittos.
Shut up.
It says Falcon right there.
Yep. Got the Nitto Falcons.
Got the Nitto Falcons, man. Booty Patrol.
You haven't heard of those?
No, I don't know what model the Nitto that is, but you should get a vet and do that.
Booty Patrol?
Booty Patrol,
With the Nitto Falcons?
With the Nitto Falcons.
In the back, he's got Federals.
Huh?
In the back, bro.
Oh, he's got Federals in the back. He's doing a little mix match. Okay. Maybe there's Nittos on one corner. Let's check every corner.
So I'm going to start verifying tire
These
lettering.
are Falcons, okay. Last but not least, Federals. We've been here for less than 5 minutes. These guys are like, yeah, we're out of here. All right, so we just checked his buddy's car with his Nittos as well. Also not Nittos. So I don't understand putting tire lettering that doesn't match. I think they're Toyos from what I could read, which in my opinion are better than Nittos, but I don't know. I guess they want to match. All right, cops just got here, but we could look at another car really quick. 350Z, got a nice little livery on it. Looks like similar kit to the one from Fast and the Furious. Black on black, tinted taillights. I mean, it looks ready to drift aesthetically. And then we go into the interior, and it's an auto. So
Unlikely they swing in the auto. The rest of it's clean though. I mean, it's cool. It's got that whole like drift aesthetic.
Is he gonna tell us a message?
It is 9:30. We've been here for 10 minutes, and the police are here. One there, all because a fucking shitty ass bike and a shitty ass Charger decided to rev. But you know what that means? We gotta go cruise right now and find some more victims. Hopefully with our mics on this time. Hopefully.
Don't forget.
So, yeah. We got 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 cops somewhere else. Oh yeah, let's keep revving, idiots. Dude, the meet was chill when we rolled in too. Like, I wanted to check out that Mustang. I wanted to check out that Mark V. That Corvette we saw pull in, I wanted to check out. There's like a good amount of cars that I wanted to check out, but every fucking numbnuts here, not everyone, only 2, decided to rev it. We're gonna go to the second spot. Check out this fucking beauty right here. We got a matching set of welds all the way around. We got drums in the rear though, so, oh dude, look at that little exhaust. There ain't shit underneath that hood. Look at those little exhaust tips. Oh man. All right, we're headed to the second spot. It's a good 9 minutes away. Cops were pulling people over, which is new. Maybe that's a 2025 thing, but I'd never seen them pull over people while leaving quietly. They were pulling people over. We saw 2 people get pulled over, so we'll have to see if this next meet lasts longer than 20 minutes. So we got a little bit of time.
Drew Peacock. It looks good, bro. Is he gonna do a little?
Is he gonna let her eat? All right, hopefully this meet survives longer than 20 minutes. Okay, a lot of the guys that were at the last meet are here. There's that Mustang I wanted to film. He's taking up 3 spots. We'll have to see if he's worthy of that. Should we just take up 3 spots too? Why not? You know, I've never done that. Let's feel entitled. I own these spots. The world's my parking lot. No, we can't.
Not gonna fit.
Yeah, I ain't gonna fit in there.
Back.
Damn, everyone's like spread out.
Find the best 3 spots.
Find the best 3 spots. We need some good
Nah,
lighting.
look at the Christmas car.
Not the Christmas car.
That fool's laughing, trying to get his reaction.
Fuck it, we'll go right here. We're taking up 2 spots. I'm not that entitled to take up 3, so 2 will do. I'm glad we came. Oh my God, he's got positive camber. And the hee-hees. I mean, to be real though, what do we expect?
Sick. That's that paint.
Dude, but Christmas isn't for like 12 months.
No, I think they tried to take it off and it was just like cemented on.
Yeah, it's taped down so much that they couldn't get it off. No shot already, dude. We just got out of the car.
It's a paramedic.
Oh, all right. Get there sooner. Someone's in danger. Sick. All right, yeah, we're gonna wait for this to fill in. Hopefully it lasts. And
You barely took up 2 spots. What the
I know,
heck?
barely.
Bet you someone tries to fit in there. $100
A Miata will go in there, yeah.
$100.
Dude, this guy's got a tire.
Wow.
Let's check this thing out. We got the weight reduction. So lightweight, no license plate bracket. NT555 or NT555 R2. It's got the gap cam.
Should have brought our.
Is he back making noise?
Should have brought our bikes.
Is it a bunch of 400s?
You're gonna make them start revving with their camera.
It's a bunch of 400s. Ain't nobody want to hear no 400. 0 to 60 in what, 6 seconds?
Like 12.
Like 12 maybe, you know? It's got a 30-second quarter mile. We got a stock Beamer with a gap cam. At least stock wheels, you know? Yeah, this guy's chopping. Nah, he just unplugged the coil pack.
Yeah,
I know that
he's
trick.
misfiring.
That's a misfire right there from all the takeovers. That's all that is. EG. I thought it had a hood exit for a second, but it's just the paint like ripping off from all of his speed. I don't miss my Honda. Like I do and I don't.
Nah, you don't.
I don't. Yeah, I honestly forgot I owned one.
Yeah, honestly forgot. Forgot
I built one of those things. I spent so much time, you know, repairing it. Oh, let's check out this thing.
Kind of built one 4
Look
times.
at this little Mitsubishi. More Heat 37s.
Yeah, he's definitely.
Damn, we got the ski box. Ready for the mountains, bro.
Ski box might be worth more than the car.
Look at the Recaros, though. Those are like the same style Recaros I have in the Supra.
Forged
These
car.
are not raised. Okay, usually I don't really care if people put reps on, but they put the raise, even though they're not raised. I can just tell. carbon fiber. Is this real carbon fiber? Yeah.
Yeah, it might be.
Yeah, it's real carbon fiber.
Could be. Could be.
Could be, but the rays, I could tell just by the spoke. Those ain't real rays. You just put the center
Are you
caps.
sure? I think they're real.
There's a 0% chance.
Are you sure?
Yeah. The rays don't have this much angle. You think these are real?
You know, I don't know. The green cap made me believe it did.
The green cap's throwing you off? That's what's throwing you off?
Like, why would he put nitrogen in his tires? Those are not real.
This one don't even got no green cap. He's got Brembos though. Like that's a real Brembo on the back. Did he have Brembos up front?
Yeah, for sure.
Oh, you do got big brakes. This is like the most hit or miss like thing ever. Big old intercooler up front.
I don't know what I'm looking
I'll
at.
bet money those aren't real rays. The rest of the car looks dope, but those ain't real rays. All right, ignore what I just said about the rest of the car looking dope.
When I said it looked sick.
When I meant sick, I meant like the front half. Like I like the wide body and
like
stuff.
the carbon
the
part.
paint is clean and the carbon is cool. You know, I think it would look better if these two matched, but that part looks fine. But then I saw the chassis, you know, the scaffolding wing. That's that's where I draw the line. What are the plates from? Georgia? Out of state plates?
Yeah.
Drove a long way. 4th gen. This is like the 4th gen I've seen out of meet in the last couple meets. This one's pretty clean too. He's got a 1320 quiet plate. Shot out really slow.
Might be saying something.
Might be saying something. Might need to run him. He's got the 1320 plate on, you know. I think that's a sign right there.
There
we go.
Last time?
No, it's a different shit box. Okay, that was a waste of time. All right, we're doing like our last little lap. There's not much to look at. We showed you guys some of the more interesting cars. The Mitsubishi had the hood popped. I wanted to check that out. Get the Scat Pack with the LGBTQ lights. More illegal lights. Yeah, I wanted to see what was underneath the hood on that, but he just closed it, sadly. So we'll make our last rounds and find our way out of here. I've never seen one of these in public before. I saw one at the
Z06?
The Nissan booth. Is that? Something is like crazy chopping. We'll have to check that out. But yeah, these Nissan 400Z Nismos. Oh yeah. Is it a Z06?
No.
No, it's a Stingray. On some funky tires. What's up with everybody on some funky ass tires today? Sounds kind of sick.
Either got that.
I think it's auto though. Yeah, it's definitely auto. Just took off the mufflers. His fitment's all wrong too.
Who forgot to put on his wide body flares?
I know, yeah, his tires are sticking out like an inch. So, but yeah, I'd yet to see one of these in public before. I didn't know people actually bought Nissan still. They're cool. Dude, the problem with the 400Z is it's just too overpriced. Like you're paying 80 grand for something like this. It's crazy. Jake, would you pay 80 grand for this?
80? Is that what they cost?
For a Nismo? Oh. You're looking at like 60 to 80, I think, depending on packaging.
What's in it? What's in it?
It's like 300 horsepower, like V6 twin turbo.
Yeah.
I think it's the VR30. That's like in the Q50.
I'll give you 10 grand for every 100 horsepower.
Yeah. I've never seen one in person in public before. I didn't know anyone ever bought them.
Give us your thoughts, bro. It's too quiet, huh? Way too quiet.
Just got back, super foggy out, so wasn't safe to find anyone on the way home. Honestly, wasn't the worst meet ever. It was pretty tamed for the most part up until a couple cars got rowdy and then we had to move locations. But there were a lot more just like average, decent cars, stuff that isn't really super entertaining to film for you guys, but still had a good time. So although not a whole lot of cool cars, still a good start to 2025, if I do say so myself. We got some cool ones, though, coming this weekend. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below, subscribe, and until next video, peace.